Good afternoon, wide shave enthusiasts and newbies. Welcome back into the rabbit hole. It is Cal coming at you with another shave review. Quite a while ago, I did a review of this particular Wilkinson sword. Check out the link. I think it's over the shoulder. And a few days ago, one of my viewers asked a question about over-tightening this. Now, it's been a long time since I've done that video, and I don't remember. And I have long since given that razor away or sold it. So I went on to Amazon and ordered this $18 USD. Now, while I was there, I also saw this one, $30 USD. What's the difference? Different UPC codes, so they must be a different razor. So let's do a comparison and find out. First, we're going to go take a closer look at these. Going to come back, do a shave comparison, and see how it goes. So let's open up these razors and see what we get. Now, premium long metal handle, Wilkinson sword, double edge, 5 blades. Check, edge well. Slightly different logo here. It says it's the Barber's Edge, classic shave, the edger, double edge, premium metal handle. Edge well, Wilkinson sword. 5 blades come with it. So let's open this and see what we get. Your basic spiral knurling, 3 collars here. Kind of flimsy-ish. Logo across the top there. I would say they feel quite similar. Again, 3 collars, spiral knurling pattern. Same blades. So let's check our handle length. On the cheaper one, we have a handle length of about 4 inches. On the more expensive one, again, about 4 inches. Now, let's check the weights. Again, the cheaper one, 3.0 ounces. The more expensive one, 2.9 ounces, so close enough. I really don't know what the difference is. They look like the exact same razor. I don't see any differences whatsoever other than the price, and they've got a different UPC code, so they must be different products. So What I'm actually going to do is I'm just going to take some electrical tape here, put it around the more expensive one so that I'm going to go into the bathroom, do a shave, and at least this way I'll know which one is which. So just a simple piece of electrical tape so that I know that this is the more expensive of the two. But again, they look the exact same. I'm going to use the blades that came with each package. And then we're going to do our shave. So let's get into this. So we are back. Got it loaded up. Keep in mind that this is the $30 one. Barn doors aren't lined exactly. A little bit higher on this side. Check out our blade exposure. And tabs sticking out. Again, $30 one. $18 one. Same issue. Looks like it's a little bit higher on this side. And tabs sticking out. Blade exposure. Now, from what I could see of it, these are the exact same blade. This one here in the $18 razor, this one in the $30 razor. And if you're wondering, take your blade, drop it down onto your T-bar, and that's as tight as it goes, just finger tight. And that's all there should be to it. So now it looks like the exact same razor to me, so it should shave the exact same way. We're going to get that going. We're going with Stirling Lime. Glacial Lime for the aftershave. So what are the set notes on Stirling Lime? Well, it's lime and, well, lime. Got it made up in our Phillips Sharp leather bowl using my Coyote Cuts 24mm synthetic. Gonna wet the face and we're gonna go through this and just see what the heck it does. And if you want to see a fun video about lime, check out this one I recorded a few days ago just for fun. Let me know what you think of that. So, we are going to go with the $18 razor on my left side, $30 razor on my right side with the grain. Again, about a 4-inch handle. Relatively mild, I would say low medium maybe. So $30 razor on the right side. Again, same thing. Low medium on the right side of my face. The 4-inch handle for my preferences is a little bit long, but if you're shaving other body parts, if you use this as a women's razor to shave your legs, 4-inch handle might be great. But for a face shaver, my preference is for a 3.5-inch handle. Just going to finish up with our upper lip underneath our goatee. Cheaper razor. It backs off a bit, just snig it up a bit. Not bad for a first pass. Maybe a slight little leaper there. So we're going to do multi-speed for pass 2 and 3 and just get this cleaned up, and then we're going to come back after with more talk about it. So we are back, got her cleaned out. Well, that is damn near. Oh, that's a Stirling DFS. Few minor weepers on both sides. No nicks, no cuts, just little tiny weepers. But strong DFS. And the thing is, it's the same on both sides. So, take the alum to it. Let's see how this goes. Yeah, there's some burn. And again, it's equal, same burn on both sides. So, alcohol based. Added methyl for the heat of the summer. Whew. Strongly methylated. Love that. It is a bit rough on the eyes. And there is obviously a bit of burn there. So again, $30 USD, 18. Bought at the same time on US Amazon. The one thing I don't like is that knurling, and it both razors, it does feel like it doesn't tighten real, like it would have to over tighten it. It feels like both back off a little bit. The packaging, I don't know. I mean, one says made from recycled material. The other one doesn't. Both, or this one is in multiple languages. That one's a lot more basic. You said slightly different logo. This is the packaging that came with the $30 one. This is the packaging that came with the $18 one. And frankly, other than recyclability part or composting, I prefer the plastic packaging. There's nothing wrong with this. It's just, is this make the razor $12 more? I don't know. To me, it seems like it's the exact same razor. Just why is it one $12 US more expensive than the other? I have no idea. Maybe they were intended for different markets. Like I said, bought them at the same time on the same Amazon page. So I don't know what the difference is. It's not a bad razor overall for the price, but if they're the exact same razor, obviously go with the $18 one. It's, to my eyes, if you guys know differently, let me know in the comments below what the difference is, because size, weights, knurling, barn doors, rattle, blade feel, everything is the same. I don't get it. Anyway, we're going to wrap this one up. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. You guys take care. We'll see you soon, or see you guys real soon. You guys take care. Bye-bye.